Want to extract attachments in bulk from multiple EML/EMLX files? Introducing Softaken EML Attachment Extractor software. It performs quick and speedy extraction of attachments. It is capable of saving attachments from multiple EML/EMLX files. It removes duplicate attachments based on file name and file size. No limitation on the size of the EML file. It maintains EML/EMLX formatting and folder structure. Extract all types of attachments: doc, XLS, PNG, PDF, text, and others. You can save extracted attachments to any location of your choice. Support all Windows versions. It supports multiple non-English languages, including Korean, Japanese, Chinese, etc. Free trial version is available on the official website. For any query, contact us.